How to install Startup Show on Firestick. A good thing that Startup Show is actually be supported with Firestick. However, it's not going to be included in your pack or the package specifically on a certain subscriptions that you had from your Firestick TV. What you want to do is just simply open up or access the Amazon App Store directly from your Firestick, and you should be able to see that Startup Show is actually available on Google Play Store, which means it's also available on Amazon App Store. You just gotta go ahead and hit on install directly from your Fire Stick TV, and then it will automatically be added to one of your apps on your Fire Stick TV. And that's basically it. That's how you install Startup Show on your Fire Stick.